the bathroom, okay? You can't eat yet, remember? You have, when mommy's done using the bathroom, you can eat, okay?
Mommy,
Okay.
mommy.
Don't eat yet, Lily. What did mommy say? Don't.
I taste it.
No tasting. When mommy's come back, you can eat it, okay? Okay?
This is a new metal one.
Yes. Lily, when mommy comes back, you can eat, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so you wait for mommy, okay?
Daddy, what's that for?
Okay, stay there. Don't eat the cookie. You can look at it or taste or smell, but no eating, okay? You have to wait for
I
me.
want chocolate chip.
Yeah, that's chocolate chip. Wait for me first, okay? You can smell or you can look, but no eating yet, okay? Not until I'm back.
Let's go working on the farm. Let's go working on the farm. Like the tractor. Oh, tractor. Ah. You know my tractor song. Tractors, oh tractors. Tractors, oh tractors. They're so much fun. Tractors, oh tractors. They get the job done. Tractors work all day.
Okay, did you eat?
No.
Did you smell?
Yeah.
Okay, you did not eat?
No.
Okay, good job. You can eat it now. It's okay for you to eat now.